So they both got bent go boxes. These are trays where I can easily put something in those, such as ranch dressing, Nutella, peanut butter, you name it, ranch. All right, so then there's hers. So she has a purple one, he has a blue one. And then for myself, for lunches, I decided to go ahead and get this 8-pack of 8-ounce plastic juice bottles. These are homemade beverage drinks, so I can just easily wash these out until I get the milk containers that I really wanted. I also went ahead and got the Hairstyles sandwich cutter. This is in the color of blue or red, I think. I'm not sure. I think I ordered red, yes. So this is a sandwich cutter that I'm going to be using to make the kids Uncrustables. So I am going to go ahead and prepare those in the morning due to the fact that this came in the mail late tonight. So like I said, it comes with 5 pieces, and these are the pieces. So it comes with 3 cutters and 2 sealers. So you can make a small one and you can make a big one as well. And then on this side, it just simply shows you what is the use of the small cutter. You can use it to cut ham, eggs, bacon, cheese, other things like that. I'm glad that they tell you on the box. So yeah. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is hosted by Wanda over at Miss Amechi. I am the co-host, JustBeingC'Aira. Today we are bringing you guys bunches of lunches. So me and the kiddos are heading back to work. So by the time this video airs, we're already back in school. We're eating these lovely lunches that I'm about to create. So in the mail today, I received these items here that I ordered for our lunches. So the kiddos both got lunch boxes this year that came with their backpacks. So the easy thing about this is that these cute little bento trays are gonna fit right down in there. But be sure to check out the playlist linked in the description box down below after you finish checking out this video. Okay, so I'm preparing the kids' lunch today, and I need to go ahead and make up some peanut butter and jelly. So I will have this linked in my description box down below, but this is just basically a sandwich cutter that will cut them into Uncrustables. You guys can see like the ridges right there and stuff like that. So here we are, day 1 of going back to school. The kiddos have their lunch boxes here. I have a couple of snacks picked out just to give them some lunch. So I don't have the carrots pulled out just yet because they are cold, but I did go ahead and just prepare a couple of items. So as you can see here, I have strawberry peach applesauce, strawberry fruit snacks, SpongeBob fruit snacks, Cheez-Its, raisins, Oreo minis, and some Skinny Pop popcorn. So the kiddos asked me for their first day of school lunches to be, she wants a salad, he wants some Uncrustables. So I do have some of those already made. They will go into this part right here. Probably fruit snacks, some of the mini Oreos, and some of the Skinny Pop popcorn. And I might have to put the fruit snacks in here and do the Cheez-Its right here. Just a quick lunch. The kiddos were told to leave everything in these cute bento kid trays so that I can see what they're eating, what they're not eating. So these were $9.99 on Amazon. I'll have that link below as well. And then these were found at the dollar store. I love to buy these because I can easily put their names on them using the Cricut machine. So this time I got Cam something just really simple, and I will put his name on that as well. These trays are really cool because you can take the lid off, and then you just have this part. You don't have to have a big bento box like the kiddos had last year where you sit it in and then kind of snap it. This could be used for hummus, Nutella, peanut butter, ranch, anything you want like to dip. You can even put like Polynesian sauce if you gave the kiddos chicken nuggets, barbecue sauce, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these lunches. The thing about this is like it'll come out like this. So I have not decorated the purple one yet, but just for the first day of school and a couple first days until I can design this purple one the same way and the blue one, I have decided to just go ahead and use these because it has their name on them, so people can tell who is who. So at Kroger for $5.99, we bought the 4-pack ice packs. So we have purple and we have blue, which is really cool because of the simple fact that they both have the same matching color boxes, blue and purple. So I'm gonna go ahead and freeze one. And they are reusable and they're slim for any size lunch bag. So this would be great. So here on the table, I have a couple of things. I already made these Uncrustables about a week ago, and I went ahead and freeze them. So I am going to take them out of the package and go ahead and get his lunch ready for tomorrow. And then, so I have two of these. These are grape jelly and peanut butter. I also have some raisins here, some strawberry peach mighty packs, applesauce. We have Cheez-Its. We have fruit snacks, SpongeBob fruit snacks. We also have strawberry fruit snacks. And I do have some of the Skinny Pop popcorn. And I also have some Oreo minis. I thought this would be a great dessert for the kiddos for when they finish. So here we have it. Here are our bent go boxes. These came off at Amazon. I will link these in the description box down below. As you guys can see, it's just a couple of snaps that need to happen in order to close it. So this big part right here is just for the main, like the sandwich, pasta, stuff like that. You have a slot here for hummus, Nutella, like dipping sauce, ketchup, barbecue, you name it. And then, yeah, we have some other compartments here. So let's just go ahead and fill up these lunches. All right, guys, so as you can see, she has a salad. She has cucumbers. These are little mini cucumbers. And then she also has tomatoes in here, Skinny Pop popcorn, raisins, strawberry, fruit snacks, and some blueberries. She also will have an applesauce if she chooses to. If not, she can bring it back home, and she can just eat it later tomorrow afternoon. And then for her snack, she just wants some strawberries, so I have to cut those up. And as far as we have two grape jelly and peanut butter Uncrustables. And then we have some Skinny Pop popcorn. We also have some fruit snacks, and he has the mini Oreos and Cheez-Its. So they each picked out a juice to go along with their lunch for tomorrow. So, all right, day one down. Let's see what other lunches we come up with for the rest of the beginning of the year. So Sky ended up having some butter noodles this morning that I made quickly for lunch. She also had some Tostitos along with some salsa and blueberry applesauce. And then she also had a drink to go. So today's lunch, I'm making a pizza kit. So I went ahead and cut up a mozzarella stick. This guy has spaghetti, cheese stick, corn, fruit snacks, raisins, and some little fudge strip cookies. This is where the pizza came into play, where I had to make it the day before and cut it up for Cam to have for lunch. He also has some fudge strips, some fruit snacks, popcorn, and cheese cut up. This is my lunch for today. I also have Powerade, a iced coffee, an apple cinnamon muffin, a strawberry fruit strip, yogurt, Greek vanilla yogurt, and some fruit snacks, as well as some birthday cake granola that I put that into my yogurt. This is not my typical lunch, but I do have some popcorners and some wheat thins. So just eating light today. Thanks guys so much for joining in to watch my bunches of lunches, as me and the kiddos love making lunches from time to time when we don't want to eat what is at work. That's just plain and simple. We do bring home a menu, and I definitely go over it with them the day before, just so I can figure out if they want to pack a lunch or if they don't. But this year, in order to incorporate my son from having so many headaches, we are deciding to go ahead and pack his lunch every day to ensure to see what they are actually eating, because they are wasting a lot of the school lunch food. So be sure to go check out the playlist. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel.